to Weekend Smile. It's a good day because today we will learn the art of being a DJ with the director of Play It Loud DJ Academy, DJ Denvo, yes, Denvo Toms, and a student of Play It Loud DJ Academy, Caitlin DJ Minx Moses, who will share her experience and her DJ skills. DJ Denvo, DJ Minx in the building. Hi,
hello,
guys.
Hello.
I mean, Denvo was also my teacher at one point in time. He has scolded me many times.
Yes.
For not using the talent he taught me.
Yes. I'm happy that you're admitting this publicly.
I will admit it publicly. However, I am proud though that DJ Minx has been playing to the best of her ability and showing the world the excellent teacher that you are. Hi, DJ Minx, how are you?
Good.
You're good? Thank you so much for joining us, guys. DJ Denvo, tell us a little bit about the inspiration behind Play It Loud DJ Academy.
All right. It's a case of when somebody smiles at you, you smile back.
Okay.
That's all it is. So I wanted to pay it forward because music and DJing actually changed my circumstance.
Okay.
So it's only natural for me to say, hey, listen, let me just play this forward to somebody else. So that is what the inspiration that came behind it.
It's so interesting that you mentioned that, Denvo, because I remember myself who came to you just a curious broadcaster, a curious presenter. I mean, I was always surrounded by my fame family who were always, you guys were always on the turntables mixing. And I was like, what are you guys doing? Can someone just show me? Can I just please understand? And it looked so cool, you know? But what are some of the key skills and techniques that you aim to teach an upcoming DJ?
Well, an upcoming DJ will learn, first of all, his equipment or her equipment, how to use software and actually how to use music to move people, you know, the right songs to select. Because you can be playing music, you know, you can just play one song after the other one.
Once it's done, you don't have to mix it.
What is the right song?
Yeah.
So our aim is to actually allow you to play music and play it well.
Yeah. And I mean, what are probably some of those skills that could probably benefit young people? Because you even mentioned paying it forward. So in terms of teaching them about, you know, the software and their instruments and what they would use, you know?
Surprisingly, one of the key things that students learn is structure and organization. Because having a library of music and being able to manage this library, just to add music to your library alone and organize and shift songs around and create playlists, it teaches them organization, it teaches them how to focus. Like focus on you've seen her. She's like into it and just focus on what she's doing. So those are some of the key things that we aim to teach them, just structure and organization.
Structure, organization, and to keep your blinders on, no matter what's happening around you.
Just focus.
Focus. DJ Minx, how has your experience been working with DJ Denvo and learning from him?
It's been good and it's fun.
It's been fun? Why did you want to learn how to become a DJ? Tell us a little bit about that.
Because one time while I was watching videos, I saw someone DJing, and then I was like, that's cool. And then I wanted to start doing it.
And that was it?
Yes.
Yeah? How long have you been doing it now?
I think since 2021.
And it's been going great. Like, I see you have your skills, you know, you're mixing like A+, then.
All of this is her.
Really?
Yes, she went and she got her equipment, her laptop with her music, and she's practicing at home and in studio with me.
So DJ Minx, it seems you have a passion for DJing. Like you enjoy it, you really love it.
Yes.
Yeah. Have you been playing anywhere? Like, have you been playing at any parties at home? Like maybe for your parents and your family?
Actually, this week on Tuesday at Kingston Night Market, I DJ'd there for about about an hour.
What? Yeah? And that went so good. I'm sure it did. Yeah, you want to do more. You want to do more playouts. You want to do more events.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Denver love a student who committed. You know.
Hold on, man. Look here. You know how long I've been saying to this young lady, you need to go out and play. You need to play. So when she's admitting now publicly that she's going to play, you'll see
give me
more
a
of
high
her.
five, DJ Mix. That's awesome, and I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you because you are more fearless than I am. So I am so proud of you.
And we're gonna see Talia in the streets playing music.
Yes, one day. Don't worry about it. Soon. Tomorrow. Okay, so then back to business now. Play It Loud DJ Academy. What unique opportunities and resources does, Play It Loud DJ Academy provide?
Well, I mean, the music industry is very broad. It's very big. There's a space for, I tell people all the time, when you come and you learn how to DJ, there's a space for you in radio, there's a space for you in events, there's a space for you on the cruise ships, there's a space for you in the hotel industry. There are many different opportunities that you can actually step out in as a disc jockey. For me personally, it's a dream, but I now tour as a DJ, so it's not just locally on radio, but overseas as well. So many different options.
And I think with this digital age and digital space, as DJ Minx mentioned, what even sparked her interest was DJing online. Online.
Absolutely.
And just being in that space and putting yourself out there, you can just imagine where it can take you.
Exactly. Most of my business comes from social media.
Wow.
So there you go.
So we mentioned the digital space, the physical space as well, not only here in Jamaica, internationally. I mean, we're talking about events worldwide. I mean, in the air, on the sea, you name it. We need a DJ to bring vibes, to bring energy.
Everywhere.
Yeah, and some good music.
That is it.
And we can also become a teacher like you then.
There you go. There is also a space for that.
Okay, so in what ways would you say that Play It Loud DJ Academy fosters, creativity? Because I know sometimes, one of the things I remember I asked you was how to scratch, and I was like, oh, you scratch. I remember, rest in peace, Arif, he used to call me DJ Wiki Wiki Wah.
Wiki Wiki Wah.
Yeah, because I always wanted to Wiki Wiki Wah Wah, So, I mean, how do you foster those, creativity, the creative energy that persons might come in with?
Well, it's really about the student themselves. When you see someone who has peaked in a particular area, so you come in and you learn how to mix, and you mix 2 songs and it's good. The student is now going to say to me, the teacher, what's next? What else is there to learn? Like Caitlin started DJing and she learned how to mix, and then she was like, okay, what am I gonna learn next? And you mentioned the scratching, she just wants to learn more. So I really take the cue of the student, and if it is that we need to move forward into something like scratching, into some more advanced techniques.
Some like a vinyl too.
Some like a vinyl and some real turntable and everything.
Turntable vibes, okay.
Yes, I remember when I was teaching you saw turntables, you're like,
yeah, it was a little bit intimidating. Caitlin, I don't know, what has been your favorite part of this DJing process or experience? What have you enjoyed the most?
That I get sometimes on Saturdays, which is when I have my classes, I get to go and I get to leave with all my stuff.
Yeah?
And then knowing that I learned something else.
Knowing that you learned something else, that's what you love the most about learning from Play It Loud Academy. That's so awesome, Caitlin. Do you have a favorite genre that you love to play? You love EDM. You've been giving us that EDM vibe from morning, girl, and we love it. Why do you love EDM so much?
I just like it.
It's the feel good. Does it make you feel good? Is it like the high energy? Oh, we love it, we love it. How can someone become a part of Play It Loud Academy?
You can go on our social media pages at Play It Loud DJ Academy, or you can check me out at YEH Denver.
Denver.
Denver. We're located at 1 Skibo Avenue in Kingston.
Okay.
So if you want to just swing by the studio, give us a holler, and we'll more than willing to accommodate you.
Awesome. And Caitlin, I know that you're taking in those bookings right now. I know persons probably want to see DJ Minx in action live. I mean, how can we reach you if we want DJ Minx, girl?
You can
contact Denver or contact Mommy.
Any one of it.
Anyone.
Any one of them.
Anyone? Awesome. DJ Minx, we're so proud of you. You've been doing an exceptional job all morning. keep it up and don't let it go, all right? I know you love it, so keep it up. Denver, thank you so much for joining us this morning. We love to see it. We love that you're paying it forward. And DJ Minx, just keep going, girl. Proud of you. Proud of you. Good job.
Sure.
All right, director of Play It Loud DJ Academy, Denvo Toms, aka DJ Denvo, and student Caitlin Moses, aka DJ Minx. Stay with us to find out what the young chefs will sizzle for us in the kitchen. Don't go anywhere. We soon come back.